Hey guys. Basically, today I will be answering my questions with my voice. So let's start.
Whatever. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple and black and white. Who is your favorite YouTuber? I got a lot, so I don't want to say it. Like you, Anista, and Scarlett. Pretty much more. About you two. Technically everything. Anyways, next question. What is your favorite color? It's purple and black and white. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do. Who is your favorite gacha YouTuber? You, Scarlett. What is your country? My country is Saudi Arabia. I'm gonna talk in my voice. I think it's gonna be so bad, but okay. Marhaba. كيف حالكم? Oh, what the fuck? I literally sound like a kid with that voice effect. I swear. Anyways, bye guys.